what's up? Welcome back. So I'm here with Lush Wig once again. So this is the second time I'm trying out Lush Wig virgin hair. So today I have this wig here. This is a straight bob, but before I get into the wig, all I got in the box today was 2 wig caps. I wish I had, you know, little goodies. I like when I get the little goodies, so at least you still have an idea of what you're going to get in your box. So that's what I got. It's a 5x5 lace closure. They say it's a skin melt wig, and it has this extra elastic band. I like the way they did the construction right here inside with the elastic band. It's not black, like they built it into the the wig cap. So, and it has loops. You can easily just, you know, put the elastic band in there, and it has different holes, so you can either make it looser or tighter. I feel like that's very convenient. And as I say, it's 5x5 Swiss lace closures. Always a good Swiss lace. I definitely love that. This is a construction of the wig. It's nice, straight and silky, and I'm gonna wrap this straight today. It's a nice blunt cut bob. So let's go ahead and just put this on. I feel like I want to even try to rock it glueless. So let's see.
Like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
Applied the wig and it's pretty snugged on my head. I want to do this without having to apply adhesive, because I mean it's just a closure wig. So I mean it's very convenient. You know, you can just really put time with all of that. So I'm just gonna not do a straight line of cutting. That looks real good. So I'm actually going to use mousse just to create, like, you know, little baby hairs. So I did not go in and pluck this at all. It's already pre-plucked, and the lace melts right in with your skin. So like, and as you can see, I don't apply any adhesive or anything. I just go over the area with some mousse, because it's a whole glueless wig.
Like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
And then I'm just going to pretend that if I use Got2b, and I'm going to tie this down with my elastic band, so it just really, you know, seeps in. This is the second time I'm finessing a glueless wig like this. And the first time it wasn't even a closure, it was a whole frontal, and it was really easy to just slip on and go. So now I need to ensure that like I get the top really flat. This doesn't even give me like closure vibes. Like, it really does look like a frontal. And the first time I made one, it was like a side part. But so far, I love how silky the hair is. Like, let me zoom you guys out a bit. This is something that definitely helps to get your hair super flat.
When the silence is too loud, I swear I can hear a voice. Left a message in the clouds. They are free to roam above the sea, and this story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in the dark?
I'm all done with finessing this wig. It looks really, really good. All that's on the edges is just some mousse, and it looks really good. That is flowing like butter. I told you guys, when I get my straight hairs, I love when they're very silky, they're very flowy. That's just how I love them to look. It's like it's a frontal and not a closure, because when you go beyond that point right here, it's just like regular. Lush hair, this wig, definitely Lush. Like, you guys see for yourself, like very silky, very smooth, very convenient. Absolutely no got to be, no glue. You can literally slip on and go. It's the slip on and go wig, okay? Yes. And for all my girls who love to rock a nice center part to work, I feel like this is so work appropriate. I don't know why. I see the center part and the whole bob vibe, and it gives me corporate, you know? You can literally just catch your hair in one to the back. If you can't deal with getting braids done, slip this on and you're good to go. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. I'm going to put the link to this wig down below in my description box so you guys can check it out if you're interested. You could even go ahead and cut it shorter if you want that shortcut blunt vibe. Like, I know, like, that vibe is really nice, like a nice blunt cut bob here. Maybe I should do that in the next video and show you guys. Like right here, I had a wig like that. Nice. I don't always wear closure wigs, but this is really nice, really flat. You know, that's always like something that I'm concerned about when it comes down to a closure. Like, how flat is it gonna lay? And this laid pretty flat. Like, the flatness of the wig has a lot to do with the construction, and the construction was nicely done. So that was really cool. I'd say the only thing is like the flyaways. I'd say one way to go around that is to get like a nice like spray like serum, something very light, because honestly I don't like to add too much product to my like straight hairs. But to be honest, if you want that thing to lay like super straight, I say use like a nice serum. Just apply that, make sure it's weightless, and then you're good to go. Like, if you want that super sleek vibe. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and thumbs up this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to tune into my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to go for yourself. Bye.